going on the track right now. Backing up a little Chevrolet motor on the side of the tractor on the front left corner of that. Lumber nightmare. Runs that tractor back and forth across the track, runs him on the track. He doesn't need anybody to pull him around. He do his own thing right there, right? Got the little motor sitting there, got a little Honda engine gas tank sitting on top of that little motor. Holds about a gallon and a half gas, gets you off on the track. But he uses that engine to fire the turbines. Now these turbines run back into what I call a lock box. It's more like a line lock for any little dragster guys and gals, like a line lock. And these turbines have to be at between 85 and 90% efficiency before they can unleash that line lock, get them down the track. This is one of the few tractors that you'll see tonight that you'll hear the tire speed as he goes down the track. You can hear the little four-cylinder engine. And on the backside, you start to hear the turbine. So let's listen to him fire up.
Oh yeah, I'm going back. I'm going back and one more round. You'll get yourself.
There's one. Incidentally, Don has been in the top 5 13 times this year. Very consistent.